So thanks a lot, Rosemary, for sending in your name for today's Igbo Name of the Day giveaway request. So I asked Rosemary to describe herself for me, and she said that she's accomplished a lot in her life, and one thing that she also wants is to find true love. So I thought of the perfect Igbo name for her. Ifunanya. Come on, say that with me. Ifunanya. Good. All right, so you ready to translate that name together? Okay, cool. So Ifunanya, another variation of that word is ihonanya. So instead of an F sound, it's an H sound, depending on which dialect of Igbo you speak, but they both have the same translation, all right? So ifunanya or ihonanya. I think I've met and seen more ifunanyas more than ihonanyas, but both are still, you know, the name, okay? So we're gonna translate that name together. So ifo or